Ja, dat is allemaal geland die jong. Ik ga op TikTok, ik zie die mooie trouwfoto's van die mensen. En er is iets voor mij zeggen, gaat lopen in de comment section, want ik zie die video, like, bikkie, ik check eens uit. Fuck, altijd hij. Ik zie die video, die eerste foto, like, klaar, nee, toen gaat ik hier in de comments lezen, hier zo. Best wishes guy, may you grow from here. Wacht, dat is snaaks. I respect a man that doesn't look down on his wife. Congratulations. Yes, dat is de elde van die koosmensen. Ik het was zeggen. This man needs to create a course on how he did this himself for 990. Ach, come on. Long story short, they are happy together. Long story short. He's a quiet. Bro saved his bloodline, meaning obviously, kort, bro is lang. So, die kinders gaat seker die middel wees. So, lees nou, kyk nou hier. Hulle sê klein katte klim groot bomme. Seker bomme. Die wedding is kort en kragtig. Oh my word. Please stop this bad comments. Can y'all respect the man for reaching higher heights? Okay. She loved him with all his shortcomings. I'm short of words. And the two shall become one and a half. God chose him because he's down to earth. Yo. Dit is een mooie en ik like die, dit is prachtig. You'll be his pillar of strength, shoulder to lean on, and someone to look up to. Can we have the long and short version of how you two met? Baie geluk julle. Klein maar getrein. Come on guys man. This is not on Klein Leopold's roof with copies. Life is short, make the best of it. So when he fell asleep on the couch at night, she's carrying him to bed. Long distance relationship in the same building. This is not funny. Waarvoor lach jullie niet? South Africa has the best sense of humor. Yeah, we do. Like his song, Baby Where You At? Baby Where You At? He aimed high. Congratulations, guys. But I hope he takes this also lightheartedly and just jokes. Long story short, they got married. You literally took a big step in your life. Come on, man. Bro was bullied into this marriage. Long-term goal meets short-term goals. Sky's the limit, bro. Oh my word, the people are nasty. Look up to your wife. I mean, look after your wife. He looks up to her. This comments will make me go straight to me too. Remember in marriage, you must overlook your man's shortcomings. Guys, this is not man. Oh man, I'm disappointed in you guys. For real. You're probably not gonna follow, but like it say, whatever man. Life is fun. Just laugh at everything.